Good morning, friends. Today I'm excited because we're going to be trying out our Lasgoo laser level, and we're going to be using it to level the bunks on our sawmill. This thing comes with a heck of a nice case, and I've already taken it out of the box, but the laser, which is right here, fits really tightly into that, really nice. Comes with this magnetic holder. I've already mounted it on a tripod, but comes with this holder. So if you have a steel building, steel door, whatever, you can attach it with these magnets to that object. Comes with a nice manual that's in multiple languages. Does a good job of explaining all the buttons. The laser itself has 3 different lasers, has a horizontal laser, has a side vertical laser, and a top front facing vertical laser. And the buttons on the top here, I'll turn it on so you can see. Turn it on over here. And as you can see, it's shooting out both the vertical and the horizontal line. And this button on the top right here is a hold button, and once you the unlock button. So once you push that, it should unlock at some point here. There. When it's in the blinking mode, then you can change the vertical and horizontal lines. When it's locked, you can't change anything. There's just horizontal when you push the H button. The V1 button. That turns on the vertical front facing laser. There's the side laser. Side vertical laser. This is one of the really nice things about this level, or this laser, is it's self-leveling. So we'll be setting it up out by the sawmill. We'll use the horizontal settings. As we will demonstrate, we'll be checking the bunks from side to side and from end to end. So this should work pretty slick for what we think we're going to be doing here with it. So not only are we going to be using this on our sawmill to get it level, but we have a pavilion that we're going to be completing over the top of our sawmill. And we have a new splitter coming in, and we're going to put up a shed for it with a covering so that it's protected from the snow and rain and sun. So we'll be using this level for all those projects.
And many more.
And many more.
We have a log we're going to get off of the mill before we can level it. So that's our first step. Sparky helping us again. Hi, Spark.
Yeah, he's the inspector.
Yeah.
Like Steve from MSD Sawdust. He's got a kitty that's a inspector. Well, yeah. This is inspector too.
Yeah. Inspector Sparky.
So what we're going to be doing is putting the measuring stick on the metal bunk here. And we'll use that as a reference point, and Lori can point out where the laser's hitting. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. It's really bright out here. Okay, so that's going to be our reference point. We'll just try to make sure all the bunks are at that same level then, and then we'll have it leveled. Okay, we turned up the brightness on the laser level so it's easier to see. I read where the power button, it has 4 different levels of brightness. It's called the energy saving mode, but we need it on, because it's so bright out here, we need it on the brightest level. And Lori has indicated that it's 11 and a quarter on the stick. So we'll set all the rest of the bunks to 11 and a quarter.
Okay, go for
Okay,
it.
so we're reading right around the 1 foot mark here on this. Check side to side, that's on the 1. It's coming in really close to the 1. Yep, right on the 1. Okay, gonna move the saw head. Okay, right at the 1 foot mark. Yep, right at the 1 foot mark. So we'll come back this other direction.
I had to raise the mill so we could see it through from this end down here.
Pretty close to the same. Those are just a little low compared to this one, but not much different.
That's pretty cool that it's not very far off, considering as long as we've had it as much as we've
And
used it.
Yeah, it could be that it stay, now that one's definitely low.
Okay.
And
By how much?
I guess it'd be high. So this needs to be dropped down
Okay.
probably almost a 1/4 inch.
Okay.
That one is even a little lower.
Okay.
That one is not quite as low, but needs to be dropped a little. That one also needs to be dropped almost a 1/4 inch. And finally, you can see the line there. Needs to be up by the 1 or the 12-inch line. Check this side. We got the same situation there. So these need to be lowered down. So we'll work on that and get back with you here. Okay, here's the height that we want. So we changed this in bunker, lowered it down, and it's just at the perfect height. So is that side. Now let's check the next one. It's perfect. It's perfect. So those two can be tightened down now.
Okay.
Okay. Double check them again, but they shouldn't have moved. Oh, looks good. Looks good.
Okay.
Okay, this one needs to go down just a little.
Okay.
Let me check that side. Yep, just a little.
Okay.
Not a whole lot. Guess I'll tell you when. Wait a minute. Yeah, go ahead and keep going. Okay, that's probably pretty good.
Close.
Yep.
A little more, or are you okay?
Nope, I'm good.
It's good. Okay.
What a great way to make sure you're perfectly level with your mill.
Definitely, yeah.
It's a lot better than the level method we used. That one still needs to go down
Okay.
a little bit.
Going anywhere? It's really loose.
Let's check the next one then.
Okay.
It might need to go down first before.
Yeah.
All right, looks good. It looks good now. So those can be tightened.
Okay.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not warm enough.
never did fix this one right then. What do we need to do?
You know, because this is attached down below by you pushing down on the,
Oh,
screwing it down.
okay, yeah.
And I'll tell you when to stop. Let's see
Okay.
where this one is. Okay, it was in the way of the laser. Got an operator problem. Okay, that one still needs to go down.
Okay.
So if it's loose on the bottom,
Yeah.
then try pushing the top down until I tell you.
Okay.
It should suck it down.
Good, huh? Yeah, but I guess I'm like level wise. Are we going
Oh,
down?
is it? Yeah, a little bit. Little by little you are.
Okay. That may need to go down some more.
Yeah, looks like it. Oh, wait a minute. I'd say you got it.
Oh.
I'd say you got it. Good job. So this is perfectly level, our mill is now. That makes me happy. And we probably, I mean, we had it close with using just a regular carpenter's level. But this Lasgoo laser level system made it so we could get 100% accuracy with what we're doing. So I'm excited to use it on our new building we're going to be putting up for the sawmill, and you can see the posts are in place for us to do our canopy for this sawmill. And as soon as we get the time, we will be working on that. We'll put a link to the Lasgoo laser level with a discount code in the description in case you're interested in checking it out. Thanks for watching.